Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 19th to December 1st. For November 19th to the 23rd, we have a trough air off the east coast that will eventually move inland. We have a ridge over western North America and a trough over eastern North America. Miles of good agreement. We also have negative high anomalies here. So, this is what the patterns forecasted look like, and we go through the period. We go to the 26th, and we see gradually flattening of the flow. So this pattern will feature quiet conditions across much of the nation, except for the Gulf Coast and portions of the West Coast. The Gulf Coast will experience heavy precipitation. The rainfall could be further enhanced by southern stream energy. And the West Coast could experience increased precipitation, mainly across Northern California. Temperatures will be below normal from the Great Lakes to the Northeast, and temperatures in the West will experience temperatures above normal, with the temperatures of 5 to 15 degrees. Cooler temperatures will arrive as the trough moves inland. November 22nd to 26th. Here's the 23rd. We start seeing this trough kind of advance eastward. We have a trough forecast over the eastern Pacific and the west coast. Above normal heights forecast across the central U.S. and below normal heights over the northeast and Greenland. We have above normal heights here and above normal heights here with a trough over here over the northeast and eastern Canada. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast here, with anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 45%. Good news for California. And we have below normal precipitation forecast for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now look at the period for November 27th to December 1st. Here's the 27th. You see we're expecting a gradual de-amplification of the flow, almost a zone of flow, but we still have a trough here, trough moving into the west, and we have above normal heights in between. Strong positive height anomalies over Greenland. So we go through the end of the period. This will be December 1st. You can see the pattern that was just depicted. And we look at the rest of the models, but then we look at the European ensembles. Has a fairly deep trough here across much of the nation. Strong positive height anomalies here. This together with the NAO is forecast to be negative supports the positive height anomalies here, but the PNA will be trending positive, which should bring a ridge into the west. So we look at the rest of the models, pretty much the same with the other ones, except for the European. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, okay, above normal temperature. See, I think this is the wrong map. Let me see. Hold on a sec. Okay, this is supposed to be the first map for the first period. Now this is for the second. That was the right map. Okay. So for this period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the area. I think this might be overdone. I think the anomalies for now, I'm going to say 4 degrees. 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And then I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the West Coast, Northern Rockies, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for, again, above normal precipitation for the West Coast states, the lower Mississippi Valley, Ohio, Tennessee Valley, Southeast, the Middle Atlantic, and the Northeast. And the probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. Below normal precipitation forecast for the Northern Rockies into the upper Mississippi Valley. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 19th to December 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.